Hello, my country people. How na dey? This is Maureen Gist TV. My country people, today na the Ooni of Ife birthday. My country people, I greet una according to una time. In case you just dey see this my channel for the first time, abeg make you no fail to subscribe. For all my returning subscribers, say una do well. God go bless una. Today na Kabiyesi birthday, and the new Olori wey dem dey call Ashley don come out to come send birthday message to im husband. Some of una wey be say una dey argue say dis Ashley, dis ayaba na no be Ooni of Ife second wife. Make I read dis lovely message wey be say im send give the Ooni of Ife for im birthday. Una know say today na Ooni of Ife birthday. Meanwhile, Olori Naomi never send her own o. Na she be the first. Na she be the first to send birthday message. My people, make I read this message before we come touchlight the whole matter. To know you is to love you. Father to the nation, husband to Benny, Oko Osho. I no sabi all this Yoruba. I know say I no dey understand Yoruba. I no sabi speak Yoruba. So I need to skip all those gbogbo praises when he praise im husband. I need to skip am because I don't know how to pronounce them. Then I go read only the English aspect. Because if I could give you a gift, it will be to see you in people's eyes and to see how special you are to many. Cheers to you. Okay, cheers to many more years in good health and abundance of wealth. Ni ase Olodumare. Happy birthday, my crown jewel. You dey see am so? My crown jewel. So I no fit pronounce the remaining one when e be say e talk, but I see with my korokoro eye this aspect, this side when e call am my crown jewel. See, in case una no know, when a woman call a man my crown, because man, your husband na be your crown. Your husband na be your crown. Every married woman, your husband is your crown. So how una see this matter? Una dey say, those of una come, because some of una dey say we carry fake news, we carry lie news, say no be true, say no be im wife. Say some people even say if the king want to marry for somebody of this same caliber, say he must do am publicly. Una know say Olori Naomi, the prophetess, na be the first wife. And una know say by Olori Naomi belief, her religion, first wife na be first wife. So, but because of say na the king, and una know say by tradition, king supposed to marry more than one wife. So maybe he just want to respect Naomi by doing it quietly. You understand? Because this whole thing, where they say it they go on, where people they say it's not his wife, it's not his wife, it's his sister. Una don't see now. Una don't see the way we say this Olori, this queen don't coin message come out for birthday. Even the Olori Naomi self never even wish the husband happy birthday. She don't be first. She don't be first to wish the king happy birthday. Can't call him in crown jewel. Can't call am my crown jewel. So how they want to explain, give una say na Ooni of Ife second wife be this Ashley. Well, make una wish the Kabiyesi happy birthday, long life and prosperity. This king na very nice king. Na king when he be say he get the youth at heart. He love children. He get foundation where they take care of children. Na very nice king. Na king where be say where sabi the king sabi, and is a well respected king. Even though self say a lot of people they like to bring a matter come out. Yes, we need to bring and come out because na public figure in be, yeah, in a public figure, and na something where we say even the Yoruba nation they like to dey hear about am. They like to dey anytime when we post things about the king, the Yoruba people that they really respond by wanting to know what they happen to their king because they respect their king. So that is why we dey bring most of in things. So today na the king birthday. We could wish am happy birthday. long life and prosperity. Yes, I go see enter market, see search for more, because today na be the birthday. I go bring una more information about how dem take celebrate im birthday as time dey go, as things dey unfold, my people. So if una look very well, una go know say the Ooni of Ife is not a fulfilled man, is not a happy man, because when it comes to marriage, marriage no really favor am for the first time, not until when they come marry the actual, because this life na when you marry the right person, the person wey be say God don ordain am say na you and this person, you go beat about the bush, beat about the bush. Na im be wetin happen to this king. The first wife wey he marry for so many years, that one, the marriage don work out. No, the marriage was not even blessed with pikin. He married the second one. That second one sef, na only 1 year na the marriage last. And that time, people don already they put eye for the king body. They don dey talk rumor here and there, say king no get pikin, this, and only one daughter. At the end of the day, the God come surprise the king with many blessings. Yes, so come give am not only wife, give am good wife, as in good wife. God, in fact, God just bless am with very wonderful wife wey be Olori Naomi, prophetess Naomi, when he get the fear of God. At the end of the day, the marriage is blessed with bouncing baby boy. Is God done wonderful? Because God, they see the heart of this king. Say this heart, the king na king when he get good heart. Even when he never get children, if you see the people, children when we say this king they take care of, the ones when he get give scholarship, the ones when he they feed, una go know say when you bring your mind to serve humanity, God in his infinite mercy go just bless you and embarrass you with blessing. That is what happened to this Kabiyesi. And una can see and say he's not a fulfilled man. But anyhow e be, the custom and tradition demand say king must not marry one wife. That is why he don't marry this Ayaba. And this Ayaba, according to gist, I don't even talk am before for my previous video, say he don't dey into the picture since, that just because of say him be don get pikin, na im make am. Una know say the Ayaba get this beautiful Ayaba, he gets one daughter when they are 8 years old. So that is why the king actually no pick am first. But now, according to the gist, and if una see the birthday message, una go see and say he call Kabiyesi my crown. So how una want wey dem wan talk? And some of una when they say Kabiyesi must throw big party before una go say yes, he don marry second wife. They just quiet about this whole thing. Whether una like it or not, Kabiyesi don marry. So don marry second wife, and it's not a problem. Naomi no dey complain, they are living well. Una dey say am so. So make una wish Kabiyesi happy birthday, and make we just play some of im clip before I go round up. Una have a wonderful day. Bye.